Also want to remove the spark plug. Now you got this exposed. Clean that up. Break these loose with a T20. Top one loose. And it will come out. And this is loose. Here's your push rod. Dark gray ones on top. This little retainer pin for the spring. Make sure you don't lose that. And push rod, dark one. And then the silver one on the bottom, aluminum. Rotate your engine a little bit to get this bottom one loose. There we go. Alright, silver rod on bottom, gray rod on top. And then we'll loosen all these bolts up. I would do it in a crisscross fashion just to make sure you don't damage anything. And then the two retainers, just put in there. Alright, all 8 bolts loose. And there you go. There's your head. Let's see where it started leaking. So up close and see where it started leaking. So clean that all up. Put a new gasket, razor blade or a little tool. We'll try to get this off in one piece. Picking it like that. Try and keep everything clean. There's a head gasket right here from a Troy built pony. Just removed from there. I'll clean up the mating surfaces and see where it was leaking. Fuel and oil mixing together. These 2 pins. There you go. So the bigger kind of indent curvature is in the front, and this darker area is in the back. Goes in like that. This one. Darker area on top. A little 150 grit. Clean that up. And clean that up. In this video, we're going to repair a blown head gasket on a Bergen Stratton 17.5. Roll it around a little bit. You can see there's a little smoke coming out of the dipstick. And it already smells a little bit about fuel, so I'm going to loosen this up. Just took off the hood. Troy built pony. I'm going to loosen this. You just have to loosen these guys, one on each side. And then we'll take off the exhaust. One bolt. There's a T45. And the light, you can see the smoke coming out. And we'll loosen these 2 bolts, T45 as well. Take off the spark plug. And remove these 2 from the intake manifold. And then 2 10mm bolts on here to remove this heat shield. And these 2 here will loosen it up. The gasket goes on there. You can see how much carbon buildup there is. Here's a new package of gaskets. Put your little pins in. And I'll put the link below of the ones I got off Amazon. Alright, just putting these on, make sure they line up. Just do hand tight for now. You do 6 pounds, and then 12, and then 18 in a star pad. First one's 6 pounds. Next is 12. It's 12. Let's go from here to here to here to here to here. That pattern. And the next is 18. And then you're done. And here's the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you start at 6 foot. And 12 foot. And you finish at 18 foot. Alright, we'll put your push rods in. There's an aluminum one. Here's the steel one. The steel one goes on top. And aluminum goes on the bottom right there. Caps. Go into that now right there. So I just tighten this so it sits on the bar right there. And then you use like a little screwdriver. Put it in your spark plug hole. And this, when you turn your engine on top here, you'll see the piston go out as far as it can. And that's where you want to be. And you'll know you're in the right place when both these are loose. So rotate your engine. Your screwdriver will start going in. And as it reaches the highest point out, turn it a little more. And your screwdriver should be almost out. So right now I'm touching the piston. And not even go into that far. Touch. And you know you're in the right rotation of the motor. These are loose. And then we can go and adjust these. What you need to adjust are these gauges here. And each one has a measurement on it. And look in your owner's manual or online. It'll tell you which one is the appropriate depth for each of these rockers. And this one will do 4 thousandths. Loosen this guy.
Mommy, watch the spark. Can we do it here?
Tighten this.
Saw the spark. Yeah, hot, It's not hot though. Hey, I want one. Give me one. Ready? Want to see the spark? Ooh, I saw the spark. Want one? Sure.
Tight.
I'll step them up for you.
Everything in reverse order. For these bolts, 2 here, and your spark plug, and your 2 exhaust from your heat shroud.